All right, welcome to lesson 26. This is comparing fractions by drawing pictures. And you've already compared fractions before. This is just another way, and it's a good way for visual learners. For example, look at the one on the top. Okay, I have a half on one side and 2/3 on the other. Which one has more? Right, 2/3 is greater than a half. And you've written it just like that, right? And you're going to continue writing it like that to show comparisons. The important thing about comparing fractions with drawing is you need to compare things of the exact same size. Now, my circles are as good as you can, just freehand really quick. But you need to compare things equally when you're comparing fractions, okay? For example, you could have $10 and your friend has 50 cents. And you say, I gave half my money away. I gave $5, that's nice. And your friend gave half of his money away, which is 25 cents. Now you both gave half, but that's not a fair comparison because one is left with $5 and one's left with 25 cents. Okay? So those comparisons are not the same. Okay? Now if you both had 50 cents and you both gave away half, now you've just made an equal fraction, right? Equal and equal. Now that's what you would like to do with your drawings. So many students on your homework tonight, when you draw, you need to draw things the exact same size. And fortunate for you, the first 4 have drawn pictures for you, so you won't make that mistake. Let's take a look at let's do number 5, where you have to draw, okay? I went ahead and drew these kind of squares. I'm actually going to slice them in rectangles. And number 5 says to compare 3/8 and a 1/4. So this one, I need to make into 3/8. And this one, I need to make into a 1/4. Now the 4th one, it's kind of easy. If you just split one line down the middle, and then one in between each of those, you will have created 4ths. So I will just shade 1/4 in. And on this one, I want to create 8. So I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm just going to double it. So 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the middle of each of those, and then 1 in the middle of each of those. And I'm going to shade in 3 of them. Okay? Now, visually, now this is where the important part of drawing it accurately is, which one has more green? Pretty close. 3/8 and a 1/4 are very close fractions. But which one has more? The 3/8 does. So 3/8 is just barely greater than a 1/4. Now in your homework, the first 4 have drawings for you. Some you're going to split into circles. Some you're going to do squares. In the future and in many of your other problems, a rectangle slicing just down the sides like that is a pretty good way to split up a fraction. Circles sometimes are a little bit harder to split evenly and compare in a picture. All right? If you have any questions on lesson 26, then come and see me. Thanks.